We was actually meant to put this this fencing in at 2.4 high. Yeah, look at it. Look. And then this one as well. So we were meant to put 2.4 in. We turned up and this is already in, and it's really bad, really bad.
Good morning. That's another fine week. Look at the weather here. Monday morning, 7:30. Cracking flags already. Supposed to be nice all week, I believe. So yeah, today we're going to do down at Schneider Electric. We actually turned up here months ago and to do the job that they gave us, and somebody else had done the job, and it's the worst job I've ever seen in 30 odd years. Literally ready to fall down.
We was actually meant to put this this fencing in at 2.4 high. Yeah, look at it. Look. And then this one as well. So we were meant to put 2.4 in. We turned up and this is already in, and it's really bad, really bad. We haven't seen nothing like this for a while. Not just that, have a look at this corner as well. Alright, instead of just self-tapping it on, look at that, just a massive gap. Yeah, get the A-team in. All these here, all these are meant to have clamp bars, proper clips. The whole thing's meant to be drilled all the way through. All the way through it's meant to be drilled. Not any of it's like that.
I don't know who did it, but obviously not fencers. But anyway, they've got us back to take that down and renew it with some panels that are already on site that we delivered before, and we've got a few extras that we're going to take with us here. We'll get some footage down there. I can't even remember what we've got on rest at week, but I'm sure it'll come to me. You know what it's like Monday morning. So yeah, next time you see them, the lads will be at the job.
Right, just a little update video following on from yesterday. I had a day off actually, so this is what Baggy and Justin's done. So they've installed this 2.4 coming down here. They got to here, and then we're gonna be continuing down here, taking this out here, this 1.8, swapping it for 2.4. So we're just getting set up now. Got Levi here from Schneider looking after us. It's been a bad installation, whoever's put this on, so it's coming to rectify it. So we actually fit this gate a few months back for him. I'm going to put 2 panels in there, 2.4, to marry through with that.
I know my last clip I said next time you see me I'll be down at Beckfoot up Bingley, but as it happens things change, and I had a delivery coming. Just rung me to say they were on the way, so I couldn't take lads this morning actually, but they know what they're doing anyway, and the site manager met them there, they've been before, so they knew the site quite well anyway, so it worked out quite well for us.
Decided that aluminium doors and windows are the perfect
Thursday, here we go.
Maybe you've already had a few quotes.
We already feel like we've done a day's work. We've had to carry alt gear. Well, you can't even see it, man. Let me just turn radio off. We'll listen to 10 from when. Anyway, yeah, so we've walked all the way with gear. It's been a bit of a carry, but we've loaded a few out. It's got our first post set. We're over at Bingley. Beckfoot School, I think it's called. Baggy's got gout in his toe, he's hobbling.
I'm still doing more work than you.
You wish.
Alright, well.
Got a neighbour here asking questions, so I'll be back with you soon. He's alright, this guy, we've met him before. What we installing today, Baggy?
2.4 Vmesh.
We've done all this, look, I'll show you this. They had like 2 concrete gravel boards all the way down. So we installed all this twin wire about a year ago it was. We had all digger down there, clear the line, and it's got all the way around perimeter. So kids are getting in here now, so Just got his first front line on. Dreamy bag here. Right, so I'll be back with you. We're going to run it all the way to the end there. I think there's 45 metres. We'll have it in today, so I'll give you a follow-up video when we've finished. Right, afternoon, just picking up from where we last left. We started there, we had a post in there when I cut video last, so it's absolutely slogged it down all day, we're drenched. I've been changed twice. Anyway, we battled through it. We've got a nice line on here, coming up here. It's a job on its end, just getting up here. So, I've got a line up here, a little bit of a tricky bit here. Big tree stump. We've just notched out up here. Sort of blended it around that tree there, and then we've moved on here and then sneaked it in at corner down there. So caretaker's been up, he's happy with everything. So we'll try and get dry now. It's just finished off down there.
Good morning. Been a busy morning, so I haven't had time to get on camera yet, but I'm just over in near Knaresborough, Scotland, nice little village out here. Just seen a job that I priced actually a few months ago over the phone, some steel palisade gates. This is why coming to see them always makes sense before I go ahead and order anything. We want some here, it's about 7 metres. But I don't know how well this is showing on camera. I'll turn it, I don't know if you can quite see, but I've got to put one in there next to YB substation, so a lot of trace, make sure it's not there, but it's pretty adamant he isn't. Dig it in there, but I'll turn up on. And the other post is over there. Now, don't know how well that's showing on camera, but I've estimated from there to there is roughly 18 inch, and you wanted it going up there as well, opening in, so we'd have had to take it from up there down there, which would have been about 2.5 feet. So anyways, look what happened, that leaf can open that way, then this one will open there. So when I come to do these, I'll get that gate post made longer, and then what I'll have to do when I'm fixing the palings, get some extra ones and just make them to rake at land like that. But yeah, that's why it's, you know, it's always a good idea to do a site survey rather than just going on what customers say, you know, oh yeah, it's easy, blah blah blah. So yeah, I'll get this properly measured up now, do a drawing. He's already given me a job more or less, obviously slightly extras for pails and stuff, a bit more labour, but somewhere in that one, it's the same job, but he does actually boats. makes boats, repairs them, you know, like sailboats. So you're a long way from the sea, aren't you? And he said you'll be surprised, they come from all over, get the boats repaired, mainly for lakes, stuff like that, you know, wind sailing. So yeah, very interesting. But yeah, you can see Moran Marine, and he's got a few in there that he's just repairing. Friday already, Friday feeling. It's turned out nice actually, weather today, but we turned up this morning. We were going to do a gate alteration job, and we've got to do a bit of digging on the field. It was absolutely chucking it down, so we cancelled that. Decided to do some bits in yard, and now the sun's out. It's actually quite nice. It's typical anyway. We've rearranged that job for next week, sort of half day there over at Skipton. Yeah, we're just sort of clearing out a bit today actually. Justin's just took a load of wood that we had from last few jobs. He might do a scrap run today. There's not quite enough yet, a van load. We've just fished these out. Here they've been out back for ages, and we're probably going to install them round. I'll show you anyway. When it rains, there's a massive puddle comes in, and all vans go through there and they splash all this shed, and it'll end up rotting all this timber. So we'll put them in there when we get 5 minutes. Might not be today, but when we get 5 minutes. But all that, and look at all that. That's actually one job. Is that? But we're just fishing good ones out here. And I'm going to try and get forks in here, clear all this, give it a bit of a scrape and clear out. Oh, I took my head off then. Yeah, so just an update on this yard progress. This thing just actually took a load of scrap, and we're going to get rid of this timber. We'll have timber waste place. Only space we've made now. Cool. So we're just going to do something here. A bit of concrete here, or just put some like hardcore stuff down. But yeah, we've got a load of 3 metre panels. These are actually rebound ones you'd have around a mugger, but we're just going to put them there, a bit more security. Not a bad day really, got a few bits done, and I'll sign you out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.